Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain 4.6 exercise of Unit 4 lines and angles. So in the last video we have discussed what are vertically opposite angles. See, once again I am saying when two lines intersect, the angles which are formed opposite to each other are vertically opposite angles. For example, here these two lines are there, the angles which are opposite here. And these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay, and always vertically opposite angles are equal. Coming to in this figure, first question, name two pairs of vertically opposite angles in the figure. Here they are asking two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Now see here, and always the size means the shape of vertically opposite angle should be equal. If you observe one here, angle BOC and angle AOD are of same. So they are vertically because see here the same vertex, the angles formed opposite to each other. So I can say that angle BOC and angle AOD are one pair of vertically opposite angles. So here I am writing vertically opposite angles. So here angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. Angle BOC equal to angle AOD is one pair of vertically opposite angles. And what is another pair of vertically opposite angles here? If you see, can I write AOC and BOE? If you observe, the length of this angle is greater than this. So we can't write because vertically opposite angles are always equal. If you observe AOC is equal to BOD here, including these two. AOC is equal to BOD. So we are having equal length. So one pair of vertically opposite angles are angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So this is another pair of vertically opposite angles. So totally in this we got two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Coming to second question. Find the measure of x, y and z without actually measuring them. Here they have given this figure children. The two lines intersected. So this is a point of intersection. And x, y, z and one angle is given as 160. Here we need to find the value of x, y and z. And here we can use the linear pair and vertically opposite angles in this figure. If you observe, what are vertically opposite angles? When the two lines intersect, the angles which are formed opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. So here if you see angle y equal to 160 because y and 160 forms vertically opposite angles. So always vertically opposite angles are equal. So here we got angle y as 160. So this is 160. Okay. Now we should find x and z. If you get x value, so we can write z also same. If you got z value, then x is also same. Then how to find x and z? Here we can take linear pair. And what is a linear pair, children? The sum of adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Here in this figure, how many pairs of adjacent angles are formed here? So keep in mind, when two lines intersect, four angles are formed. From four angles, you will get four pairs of adjacent angles and two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Here adjacent angles are x and y, y and z, z and 160, 160 and x. These are four pairs of adjacent angles. Coming to linear pair, the sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180. Means you can take x plus y as 180, y plus z as 180, z plus 160 equal to 180, x plus 160 equal to 180. So you can take any pair, children, you will get the same answer. Okay. Now here I am taking x plus y equal to 180. So linear pair. It is not compulsory to take only x and y. Here you can take x and 160, z plus 160, z plus y also. Okay. Now x we don't know. Then what is y? Here y we got 160 equal to 180. Here you write since y equal to 160. Now what is x now? X is nothing but 180 minus 160. That is x is nothing but 20. So you got x as 20 degrees. So if x is 20, then what is the value of z? Z is also 20 because x and z are vertically opposite angles. So always vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle x equal to angle z. Therefore angle z is also 20 since angle x is 20. So here you got z as 20. So if you see x and z are equal, y and this are equal. And when you add this all four angles, you will get 360 degrees. Here 160 plus 20 how much? 180. 180 plus 160, 340. 340 plus 20, 360. So like this we need to find. Third question. Give some examples of vertically opposite angles in your surroundings. Here so many examples we can write, children. See here first examples. Vertically opposite angles are formed when four roads join. Means you will be having some four roads joins here. Here, like this means this and this forms what? Vertically opposite angles, and these are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are formed when four roads are joined, and fan with four blades. Right? Fan, here fan you have no? Fan with four blades. So these are vertically opposite angles. Now window grills. You will be having window grills, right? Like this. So here this and this are vertically opposite angles, and this and this are vertically opposite angles. And in the plus symbol you will be having in maths. Okay. Next into symbol. So here also you get vertically opposite angles like this. Okay. So many examples we can write. So by this, children, we completed 4.6 exercise.